Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Polaris RZR Trail S 1000 Ultimate. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 1,319 miles. We measured its charging output at 14 volts, the front left tire at 1930 seconds, the front right at 2030 seconds, the rear left at 1630 seconds, and the rear right at 1530 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the roof, scratches on the right side of the cage, the right side cover and accessory fuel tank, and scratches on the wheel. This vehicle has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and one key. It comes equipped with navigation and reverse. It's been upgraded with a Polaris rear storage box, raceline wheels, Pro Armor harnesses, door bags, aftermarket front and rear bumpers, a winch, side mirrors, a rear view mirror, rock sliders, an accessory fuel tank, and a speaker kit. This vehicle has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.